Oh no, I just broke my W cards. What did I do? Anyways, guys. Hello, everyone. Oh, I'm gonna do it again. Hello, everyone. It's Yuri teacher, Yuri teacher, Yuri teacher. Yuri teacher is back, guys. Yuri teacher is back because it's Friday for you and Thursday for me. Your teacher always takes this video clip on Thursday morning, so Thursday for me, Friday for you, maybe Saturday or maybe weekend on Sunday. All right, so guys, this week we went over all the W words, but your teacher is going to check if you can you can remember all the W words or not. Okay. Jaden, Sophia, and we have a new friend named Leo. Hello, Leo. It's me, your teacher. All right, so guys, we went over all the W words together. So, how does W sound like? W, 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 W. Joseph, what is it? Whoa, 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 whoa. What about? Let me see if Ian can remember W words. What W, 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 W. Whoa, 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 whoa. Sophia. Whoa, 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 whoa. Leo. Whoa, 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 whoa. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Crystal. Cleo. Chloe. And who else? Jenny L. Diane. W sounds like whoa, 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 whoa. Big W and little W. All right, so W sounds like whoa. So let's go over all the W words. Okay. See if you can remember all the W words. Focus. You guys have to focus right now. Listen, 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 and repeat after your teacher. Okay. W sounds like whoa. This is whoa, whoa. What is it? Whoa, whoa. Whale. And there's a whoa whoa. Who let the W up? Whoa, whoa, water. This is whoa whoa water. And this is whoa whoa web. Whoa whoa worm. Whoa whoa woof. Right? Kevin and me can pronounce this one very, very well. Wolf, right? Hajin. And this is whoa watch. Whoa watch. You just don't have watch. You have no bracelet, no watch. You don't have anything. All right, so whoa watch. And this is what is this, guys? It's like This is whoa wizard. It's not a witch. It's wizard. Okay? It's not a witch. I don't like witch. No. Wizard. And what is this, guys? This is whoa watermelon. Whoa watermelon. Yuri loves watermelon in summer. Love it. I don't like the seeds. But watermelon is very good. There's a seedless watermelon. It's really good. All right, so guys, this is whoa watermelon. Whoa watermelon. All right, so guys, how was the W words? Can you guys remember all the W words for yourself? Yes. Show your mommy you can remember all the W words, okay? Let's go over one more time very, very quickly. All right, so this is whoa whale. Whoa water. Watermelon. All right, so water, web, spider web, worm, woof, watch, wizard, whoa watermelon. Alright guys, was it easy or was it hard? Alright, so you guys have to remember the W words, okay? And the W sounds. So we can go to the next letter. What's the next to W? It's VW. We're gonna go over all the X words next week, so you guys have to remember the W words by yourself, okay? Alright, so guys, the teacher will bring out the magic box. You guys ready? Yes? Where's my magic box? Oh my god, it's right here and it's so heavy. Alright! Your teacher's just gonna mix it. Let's mix it. your teacher doesn't know who's gonna come out first. Is it Min? Hi, Min! Hello. Do you watch this video clip, Min? Every week? Yes or no? I'm gonna call your mommy if you're watching this video every week or not. Alright, anyways, guys. Min, how does W sound like? W, 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 W. Can't really hear your voice. W, 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 W. Whoa, 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 right? Sounds like what? Whoa, whoa, whoa. So, Min, what is this, Min? Whoa, whoa. So easy, right? This is so easy for you, yes? You made a watermelon on your sketchbook yesterday, right? This is whoa, whoa. Whoa, whoa. I'm gonna give you one more, Min. Let me see. Remember this! Min, what is this? Whoa, whoa. Whoa, whoa. Not a witch. Whoa, whoa. Wizard. Got it? Got the answer or not? W sounds like whoa, right? Min? Oh, your teacher's gonna ask you one more question, Min. Oh, how does you sound like? You. You. What about how does Q sound like, Min? Q. Are you saying the words or not? You saying the sounds, yes? What about, let's give you one more. How does K sound like? K. Right? You remember all the letter sounds from A to W now, right? Okay, I know you're smart. Okay, thank you for coming out. Alright, so let's pick one more. It's hard to mix all the parts. Let's see, it's gonna come out. Crystal? Hello. Look at your beautiful face. Do you, is this your cute smile from your daddy or your mommy? From your mommy, probably, right? Alright, so, Crystal, how does W sound like? W. Whoa. Right? W, whoa. Anyways, Crystal, are you ready? Yes? Let me see if you can remember this. What is this? Whoa. What is it? Whoa. Watch. Whoa. Watch. Alright, so, Crystal, I'm gonna give you one more. So easy. Oh, what is this? Whoa. Woof. Right? Alright, so I know, Crystal, you remember all the letter sounds, but let me see if you can remember. How does T, right? What about how does C sound like? C. Crystal. Crystal. Right? So C sounds like K, right? And let me give you one more. How does O sound like? O. Right? O. Right, Crystal? Yes? Your teacher's gonna see if you can remember all the words or not and the letter sounds. I'm gonna ask your daddy, okay? Or mommy. Alright, so thank you for coming out, Crystal. Alright, so should I pick one more, guys? Do we have time? Yes, let's just pick one more. See what's gonna come out. And what's wrong with my hair? Alright, so I picked it. Hello, Chloe. Look at your cheeky smile. So cute. Alright, so Crystal. I'm sorry, Chloe, how does W sound? Crystal. W sound like W. Whoa. W sounds like whoa, right? Big W and then little W. Let me see if you can remember the W words. Let's see. What is this, Chloe? What is this? This is wo. Worm, right? We made this on the sketchbook on Monday, right? Wo. Worm. Wo. Worm, right? Let me give you one more. What is this? Wo. Web. Spider web. This is spider web, right? Wo. Web. Wo. Web. Got it? So, Chloe, you're doing so great work on your sketchbook activity. You're so impressed. So good. Your teacher's going to give you the sketchbook probably next week. So you have to show your mommy what you did on your sketchbook activity, okay? Show your mommy and daddy. All right, Chloe? All right, so Chloe, let me ask you if you can remember all the alphabet sounds. I'm just gonna give you a few questions. So how does Chloe, how does F sound like? F, 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 F. Right? F, 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 F. Right? What about how does, let me see. Oh, how does L sound like? L, 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 L. Right. What about how does R sound like? You have to distinguish the sounds from L to L and the R sounds. R sounds like you have to roll your tongue. R, right? R, 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 R. Very good, Chloe. You know all the sounds from A to W too, right? All right, so you have to practice a little bit more at home with your mommy and daddy, okay? All right, so thank you, Chloe. All right, so you guys did an excellent work. Everybody did. So your teacher's going to give you the sketchbook, so you have to show it to your mommy and daddy next week, okay, guys? And don't forget to bring your dollar, all right? On Monday, we're gonna have a market day, all right? Okay? You have to collect all your money and then put it on the zipper bag and then bring it to the class. Otherwise, you can buy anything. All right? Don't forget. All right. So have a great weekend, guys. The weather's gonna be so nice over the weekend. So have a great weekend, and I'll see you guys next Monday with your homework and dollar. Okay. All right. So bye, guys. Be safe. No class tomorrow. No class on Friday. All right?